Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Hazel Tools, and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. And today, we're gonna crack open the May marketing kit. So this is the kit that gets sent to each dealer each month, although it might be a little bit different depending on what region you're in. I'm in the North Central region, so this will apply to me. It might apply to a couple other regions as well, and other ones they kind of flip-flop. So I'll get their flyers next month, they'll get this one next month. Looking at the packing slip here, looks like a pretty easy one. We got some flyers in here, van signs, receipt backers, dangler. There should be a sign for the outside of the van and a DVD. 4 packages of the receipt backers, 2 bundles of this month's flyer. We have the van danglers that dangle from the van. That's too high, huh? There we go. The 2-sided van sign. So we have this side with the Toolbox. Nice color combination. And this side here. Looks like some summer fun. So let's go ahead and check out the new flyer for the North Central region for May. And if you like, you go to my website, hazeltools.net. I have all of these posted so you can click on them, make them bigger, take your time, read through them. So on the front, we have wrench hard, play harder. Summer means it's time to max out the fun, and your Snap-on ambassador of summer fun is here to help. See page 2 and 3 for more details. All right, let's check out page 2 and 3, and it looks like a double-sided little thing that actually reads all the way across. So we'll see how I edit this in post, because the first stuff starts on page 3. Get out of the bay and play. We're not just here to facilitate your life in the shop. We know you take your summer fun seriously too. That's why we're giving you 3 exciting opportunities to help squeeze the most out of your leisure time this summer, no matter where your plans may lead. Phase 1. Grab a slice of summer. Phase 2, keep the cold stuff cold and the dry stuff dry. And phase 3, ramp up your downtime. Ask about the featured tools and qualified purchases that will help you score these one-of-a-kind summer accessories so you can start getting serious about your relaxation. So some of the fun stuff that we have going on for a little summer fun contest. Some of the dealers ordered this stuff. I actually did not order this because I have so much other stuff going on. That's why some of your dealers might have this, some might not. It's up to each of us to order it. We got to order it with the tools. We can't order just the prizes, for instance. We have to order the whole tool pack, and I got enough. So let's check out some brand new stuff on page 4. Compact single-handed efficiency boosters. Up top, the 60 lumen bendable light, ECSPJ002, the rechargeable bendable light. Next down, the Pro inline hose nozzle. Works with low or high water pressure, aluminum internal construction, one-handed flow operation, and on-off thumb lever. Looks like they're available in red, green, orange, or the black. Next down, 3rd horsepower long neck right angle mini die grinder, the PTGR115. Extra long neck with 90-degree head angles for access to work, thermally balanced air motor, 25,000 RPM, and 1/4-inch collet accepts most common accessories. And then at the very bottom, the magnetic parts bowl. That's a 2-pack. Part number is Mag Bowl, M-A-G-B-O-W-L. Oversized parts bowl holds lug nuts, fasteners, tools. Additional front compartment holds smaller items. And if you look at the picture over there, it says parts are not included. So you just get the bowl, you don't get the stuff that's shown in it. Looks like some fun stuff there for brand new products for May. Next up, Snap-on Credit. Unlock the power to own your own dream box. Snap-on Credit program can help qualified buyers get this and other tools in this flyer sooner rather than later, with instant rebates that run up to $9,000 when you buy on EC, which would be extended credit. Just ask about special offers like instant rebates, deferred payments, and same as cash. Down further below, it says see your franchise to determine your purchasing power and get a branded cooler bag, reversible bucket hat, or a barbecue tool set for no additional cost. So the program they have going on with Snap-on Credit is if you sign up for a line of credit, or if you have a line of credit and you update your information, and either way they're going to do a credit check on you when you do that, you get your choice of the bucket cap that's reversible, cooler bag. This has actually been probably the most popular on my route so far. The grilling utensils, Instinct Inspired Barbecue Set. pretty easy. You sign up for the line of credit. Doesn't mean you have to be approved for it. Doesn't mean you even have to use it. Just sign up for the line of credit. You get one of them from the dealer. I don't know if that's really my style. Maybe the other one. There we go. We can handle that. Work. What do we got next in the flyer? We were on page 5, right there. Some tools. Our pliers are manufactured to the industry's highest standards and include proprietary features no one else can touch, like the Talon Grip diamond serrated jaws that give our pliers up to 57% more pulling power with a relocated joint and optimized handle shape. Ask your franchisee for more info and a demo. 11 different pliers on promo. Turn the page. Limited time deals up next. Beast mode power right in your paw. 3/8 drive. Get up to $80 with trade-in towards the 14.4 3/8 impact. This is a CT861, so it'll be like this one right here, this size. I have the magnet on the bottom of that, so then they hold nice on the toolboxes. But that's the gun. 150 foot-pounds of forward torque, and then 225 foot-pounds of reverse torque, just out of that little gun there. Or the 18 volt, the CT9010. Now that one's pushing 240 foot-pounds of forward torque and 325 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. We had to switch it back so that we can get into some superior circuit testing. Right up top, we start with the Multi-Probe Ultra, the EECT 900. Got a good promo going on that. The cord-free circuit tester that does 3 to 24 volts. Digital display, 4 to 49 volts, the 24 volt and the 212 volts. And then on the other side, we have the classic bulb style. A lot of people still like just the regular bulb in there as well. And it's about time we get into some wrenches. Page 9, we have 6 sets of the Snap-on flank drive wrenches. So you're going to get 15% offset broaching. You get better grip on fasteners in tight areas. The flank drive system is going to grip the fastener flats, and that's going to give you 15 to 20% more turning power. On the very bottom, we also have the 12-piece metric Blue Point wrench set and the 11-piece 12-point SAE combination wrench set. So I get asked all the time, so I'm probably going to show this a million times over, but here is one of our wrenches, and this is a flank drive wrench. No teeth in there. And a lot of people are confused because they think this one with the teeth in there, that's the flank drive. This is the flank drive plus. So both of these wrenches, along with all of our sockets, utilize a flank drive system where it grabs the flats, not the corners, and that's what allows you to get more turning power before you'd round something out. It just happens that the ones with the teeth are the flank drive plus. They're both flank drive, but one is the plus. Flipping her over to page 10, heat up your shop output. We start with the Phantom Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with light. The soldering clamp available in red, green, or orange. Under the dash creeper. The ramp gauge. Touchscreen compatible gloves. And the 3000 lumen underhood slim light. On our shop and tech page, we got the MM250 SL up there. And Luke just got one of these a couple weeks ago. We were just hooking it up and stuff, and I think he said this weekend or next weekend he's going to go get the supplies, but I'm pretty excited to see what he's going to do with that. He's got a trailer to work on, so congratulations, Luke. But let's look at this metal melting mayhem. The Muscle MIG welder for heavy duty applications requiring the strongest and most durable weld. Our MM250 SL Muscle MIG welder is hard to beat. And then down in the corner, if you need to perform exacting cuts and welds with finesse, our compact portable Plasma 30i plasma cutter can handle ferrous, non-ferrous, and high strength materials with consistency and precision you can trust. So you gotta love the trolls online that just don't know anything, but they want to give their opinion. So let me show you a little clip that I got from Rich, who is one of the bigwigs over where the welders are made, and show you some information on that.
Hi, I'm Rich Taylor, National Sales Developer for Systematics. I'm standing in front of our factory located in Westchester, Pennsylvania, USA, just a little north of Philadelphia. And this is where we manufacture our standard transformer MIG welders, including the Muscle MIG series, the Workhorse series, along with our spool guns and the consumable parts that they use. We're going to give you a virtual factory tour so you're able to see how we start with a pallet of steel and end up with the final product. First thing it does is go to what we call our Wiedemann that punches all the holes and cuts it to size. Then we bend it. After it's bent, we stack it and get ready to paint it. This is a hand-built transformer coming together. 12 different taps hook into each of our heat setting. We install our motor drive assembly. The torch assemblies are made in our factory. Then we start building them from the base of the cardboard box up. So the box goes on the conveyor belt. We start building from the bottom up. Now they're wheeling off the assembly line. They get all packaged up, and as you can see, they're stacked, ready for shipment. All of our standard transformer products are made, of course, in our Westchester location, which means they're proudly made in the USA. 1-800-ABC-WELD. The first thing is we answer the phone. That's really important, and you're going to get either Carla or Betty, or you may end up getting our office manager, Jaffrey. Starting with the remote feeder unit, you're able to go 15 feet away from the base unit plus 10 feet torch length, which equals 25 feet of total length. Now you can also, for a special application, you can extend the 15-foot feeder cable to 50 feet long. That would actually allow you to weld 60 feet away from the base unit. Brand new out of the box, our Muscle MIG welder series will give you 48 feet from the outlet. You have 12 different wires coming off your transformer onto your heat selector switch, which gives you the same repeatable weld every time. Our transformers also use virgin copper windings, which enables us to have one of the highest duty cycles in the industry. Now, what's a duty cycle? A duty cycle is the percentage of time that you can weld before the welder overheats. So you're able to weld much longer with our transformer than most of your other competitors' models, because copper conducts electricity much better than the aluminum that our competitors use. We use the biggest, baddest motor in the industry that sits in a solid aluminum housing. We also have the fastest motor drive in the industry, 800 inches per minute wire feed. So what's that mean? That means that at thin material, you turn it all the way down and the wire barely comes out. But thick material, you have a big flame and it's screaming out 800 inches per minute wire feed. Another big one are the capacitor banks. We use the most expensive computer grade capacitors in the industry. And what they do is knock down your humps and give you the smoothest arc in the industry. Some more features and benefits. You got a button called the gas purge button. You push a button and it blows all the air out of the line so that when you start your weld, you don't have a big blob in the beginning. You have a nice smooth start all the way through. We also have optional TIG welder attachment that you can add to this. That'll give you DC TIG welding. Great for race car roll cages, chrome moly, cast iron, stainless steel. But remember, it will not do aluminum. The flex neck torch assembly. This enables you to actually weld around corners. And as you can see from the picture, getting into hard to get to spots such as the top of an exhaust system makes it really easy. Can also add an optional aluminum spool gun for welding your thicker aluminum, starting with 12 gauge and up. Our Muscle MIG welders and also our Workhorse welders are very easy to use. Inside the door where the wire access is located, you're able to see this chart that we've installed, and all you're going to do is see what size wire you're using, go over and see what thickness metal you plan on welding, and you'll be able to see a heat setting and also a wire speed setting. And then you'll be able to fine tune it to get a perfect weld. Now, a lot of the customers that have used our welders out in the field who are used to using one of the competitors will say that we have the smoothest arc in the industry. Why? Because we use the most expensive, high quality capacitor bank out there. And let me let you listen to what the arc sounds like, and you can see what a great weld it'll do.
All right, folks, we've made it to the back cover. Let's check this out. We have Big and Tall, the taller profile, 55 wide, 24 deep, 43 high. The KCP 1422 ZFX. The ZFX is for this color combination, which is the black shell, storm gray drawers, and the red trim. The KCP 1422 Classic Series is built tall with compact footprint for smaller shops, loaded with all the features and capacity you need to keep everything organized. 3 extra wide top drawers, power drawer for charging batteries and personal devices, 2-inch high speed drawer for color matched organization, and ISO ride casters for smoother riding on rough surfaces. And to give you an example, I got 1422 right in the aisle. Let me get this stuff out of the way so you can see how that compares. It's probably only about an inch or so shorter than the Master Series I have right here. So nice high, especially with them 3 long drawers. That's nice for organization. Guys, I appreciate you spending some time with me. We got a new series coming out pretty shortly called the Fight Club. There's a new rule for our Fight Club. Can't tell you what it is yet, but you'll see. Should be coming up, in the next 5 to 7 days. So until then, I will see you next time.